Going down my shop, go shop because that my food not the sweet at all. The woman knows how to cook. The food not the sweet.
Small boy, your papa did. That's
He did it.
Go meet him.
Okay.
Boy, they talk, sha. This work, I don't know when I won't finish this work. Me organic go come meet me.
Make every day be all my calling. I wanna pull up in my comfort, with my G's, counting on my dollars. No be beans when I show them go holla. She feeds now they roller. I wanna pull up in my Benz like this, put on my dancing shoe like this. When I show they go holla. She feeds a mini baller. But take a in that date, you never reach my turn. No be if I misbehave, you can't defend on me. All the fine prayer, my mama pray for me. If I don't make this money, how this thing will be? To be guys the fast and free. Every day I new update. No be say calculate, yet they know of it. Guys the fast and free. Every day I new update. No be say calculate, yet they know of it. Run up for the boys, run up for the boys.
So you look me sis.
You're a fine dancer. Because I wanted to teach me how to dance.
But actually, you don't get respect for singing.
Excuse me. Are you not a kid like me? Why will I respect you? I was just complimenting you that you can dance and you should teach me how to dance.
Shut your mouth. I don't want picking. I have a shift.
Please, I'm coming so you can teach me.
This girl, what's in again? What's in again?
Well, my name is not this girl. I'm Jenny.
I thought you said I need your name.
Okay, so what's your own name?
My name is not Tom.
You're a fine dancer, Tom. I want you to dance for me so I can record you and post on my Instagram page.
I don't know that one.
Instagram.
Which one is Instagram?
No, Instagram is a social media platform where you can interact with people, you can post videos and pictures, a lot of things. So I would like to video you and post it so that a lot of people would like to watch you dance. Please.
As I be dance for born money.
Okay, but I don't have money now. So.
Okay, they go now. They go.
Okay. I think I have some goodies with me. I have ice cream, biscuits, snacks, a lot of things. Can I get it for you?
Go bigger.
So can you dance now?
What is this? Bomb dead!
You asked for them, so I can video you.
See, fetch your face up before you go dance. What is this?
Okay, don't worry. Just eat. I can wait. You like it?
Oh yeah. Make I give you chance to you waka. Yeah, they go.
No,
They
I
go.
can wait for you.
Okay, yeah, wait till I talk finish. Hey, come. A little tight.
Oh, so can you dance now?
I beg my own sleep.
I don't understand. That's not our agreement. You said you dance after eating these things.
Yes, but I want sleep. I allow this thing to adjust my body. If I call dance now, something can happen to me. You can't even go hospital.
Tom, this is not fair.
No, na for one take tell you this thing now, babe. See, see this car. I no go feel run am now. Sure understand? See all these cars steady here, and all of them like this, they wait for me. This one, na me go run am. The other one, na me go run am. As my oga no dey now, na me dey run all these things. This one now, the owner they come this thing, they come carry am. As my oga no dey now, na me dey do everything. Sure understand? I no make the man come now, go come begin tell am story. Say this one happen, that one happen. Just okay. See wetin go happen, eh? See wetin go happen now. Make I just finish this one. You go feel wait to just wait. If I finish this one now, I go run your own sharp so that you will go.
No. Abeg. Leave that thing, abeg. You see that car wey you dey see so, Madam pikin dey for inside.
Oh, you dey inside?
I just go carry her come for school.
Wow.
And you know small pikin matter now, small time now, she go begin talk say she dey hungry, she wan chop. So wetin go happen be say I go carry her go house go drop. And if I drop am for house, maybe tomorrow if I carry her go school, if I dey return, I go come make you do am.
Alright, now when you just talk something, I beg leave her tomorrow. Tomorrow I go run am. I go focus. I go just calm down.
Say tomorrow if I come, you go begin say you wan do this one, do this one. Even if you never finish this one, you go do that one tomorrow. I don't book you.
No, you don't book me now. Tomorrow, see what you go happen. Once you just drop am for school tomorrow, bam. Drive come here straight. She understand?
No wahala.
That's
Later,
why
I carry her go house, eh?
No wahala now. Oya na.
Okay, take care. I've been looking for you. What are you doing here?
Nothing. I met a new friend.
Oh, Tom. How you doing now?
I live there.
Let's go, eh? You see me some other time.
Are you stupid? Are you deaf? Sorry. Did you hear the car horn? But open this gate! How do you sleep? I don't know waiting at gate. Wait! Get the keys! Baby. Baby, go inside. My friend, get the keys and open the gate! Okay. What is wrong with you? Are you useless? No, answer me! Are you useless? What were you doing inside?
Sorry, madam. I believe they disturbed me. That food batch up yesterday. Guys, contact
You're very, very useless.
Yes.
May God punish you and your generation. May that running stomach kill you. Did I implore you into my house to come and have running stomach for me? No! Answer me! Are you deaf? I am talking to you. Are you deaf? Sorry for yourself. Sorry for your cursed self. If this ever happens again, I will not only slap the living daylight out of you, I will get you sacked. Now get out of my sight.
Sorry, madam.
Sorry for your death, man.
Tom! Where you come back now?
That you like to just now.
Come on. Now you chop all these things for you. Where you see money?
Now one girl. It be like what Papa get money and give me this thing.
Tom, you go to collect something for person where you don't know. Person where you don't know give you something, you don't even wait for me, you don't even tell me self. Which day you start that one?
Papa, you can't see with this now. Why you don't talk like this? The girl see me when I dey dance. You can't say why join me dance. Let's say the girl no get sense. Let's say no get respect for your papa.
Oh, now you can't be your papa. You no get respect for your papa. You can't follow her, whether you know even dance self. You collect money from her. You know say now why you be that?
Like guy. Guy man no be thief.
Guy man no be thief. You don't talk guy man. Nah.
Papa, forget that one. You get what I want to tell you. No man, more the best on 2.0. Okay. No man, if food not the street. No go back. You get one place. Man, no. We'll go buy food for them.
Okay, now so you just dey waka, they look for where they sell food. They know how their food they taste. You where they talk, you sabi cook, you sabi boil water. They are the carry talk. Never even drink this one self.
Yes, sir.
So not only you take all these things waiting for this place.
Chazawa. Check that one.
Nothing dey there again. Only
Check
this one.
Only
this one dey.
biscuit.
Which one be the other biscuit? I beg, come help me do something for that place.
We do something.
Come help me do something now. You say who do something?
I want sleep.
Sleep for where?
Okay.
Come help me do something. They say you want sleep. Sleep for where? Go down for that place.
Give me my juice.
Huh?
Give me now.
Give you what thing? No be you take all this house waiting for you.
Okay, you can take her. Now you the
This
girl.
one they can't go house. We go take am for house. No go take am for here. Come
No
back.
cheat me for house.
So I no cheat for her. Come down for there. Go help me run around. That's it.
What you want to want now? Give me.
So what time is your flight tomorrow?
10 a.m. That's why I want to call you. So I miss my flight.
Oh, I'm missing you already.
When you miss me so much, I just bring you I'll be back before you know it.
Are you sure?
Promise.
Okay, so I'm still thinking, why not move into my house? Like, the house is too big for me alone.
Babe, stop now. Stop. It's not like I don't want to move in with you, but just give me some time to put one or two things
You've
together.
been saying this for ages.
Trust me, babe. I'll move in with you. Moreover, you have your daughter and your workers to keep the house warm.
I know, but I still need you.
Still need me?
I still need you. What's that? They will start you.
Don't worry. I'll move in with you.
You sure?
Promise.
Hope you're not lying, though.
Why would I lie?
Anyway, you do not ever have a choice. Whether you like it or not, you're going to move in with me.
I'm going to be giving you the hot test.
What's about? Give me 22. Okay, 22. Me, I trust you now,
Give me that 17. Give me that 17. Give me that 17.
Okay. Listen, where they collect everything.
You never still finish this time. You still
Okay, welcome.
start since.
Welcome.
I don't dey run am now. I go so finish herself. Very, very soon I go. Even before the owner go come, I go don run and finish.
Make you hasten up. We don't get time. The owner don't come. They come around 6. Okay. I know one story, Bosco.
No story now.
I know say you dey capable. Now make I put you in charge.
No wahala.
Otigba, now which one you dey do? The engine you don't drop am.
Okay, I dey try arrange tools where I go use, work that motor. I go do am nah. You know me, Oga.
I bet me na do this thing.
Shebi say na by 6.
Na 6 they come. Don't call me.
I go ready before that time.
Make I check the other one whether they don't finish that one.
Okay, Oga.
No wahala.
Fix that car. I go use this one, tighten.
Hey, Shebi I ask you whether you don't run that thing finish. Tell me say you don't run the car. Now they ask you, they tell me say they pick tools. Next you go say na me send you abi. Waiting now.
Every day wait make sure finish so that I want to go talk.
Person wey chop no dey rest. As I chop finish now, say make I rest more. Wetin be that you won't follow me self talk?
I'm happy o. Well, everything they teach you for that school, never dey enter my head. I don't have another teacher. In fact, anything they teach me no dey enter my head. I ask my uncle say my join mechanical. May I go to doctor. I don't tire for that school.
So what wetin dey your mouth? You don't come out. Nothing dey there. Na conductor you come out now, and mechanic I come out for your mouth. You drink abi? Wetin dey worry you? You just dey wetin enter your head na to come learn mechanic or go do conductor. For this your age.
Yes, now. Why they go school and don't know anything? I beg, I want to do conductor or mechanic. Go do a sharp.
I go just slap you now. Which kind reasoning come with this one now? Why go they reason this kind of thing? So wait. So you won't just now come begin turn school dropouts? You go just come and they go say Bosco, see Bosco son. Now that one way come out from school. Go join Papa they do. Now so me I join my own. What you don't even say sabi for this life self? Mind yourself, oh.
I bet leave me. Now me get my head. If you say not teach me mechanic, I want go do conductor sharp. Don't do me.
Man leave you. Where they go? Tom! Come back here, my friend. Come back here and I never thought finish you. You come out. So you go just there now this kind of thing go to enter your head. So you won't just embarrass me, Abi? You won't bring shame. Call.
Mom.
Yes, baby.
You're not eating yet.
No, my darling. I had something heavy at the office. So I'll just take tea and go to bed.
Okay.
Enjoy your food. Ah! Are you okay? What is it, baby? What is it?
Pepe.
Pepe! Please take more. Take more. Sorry. Just... Sorry. Maggie! Ma! Come here. Are you stupid? No, come closer. Get closer. Yes. Are you stupid? No. Why did you add pepper in the food that my daughter is eating when you know that she doesn't like pepper? Shh, shut up. Sorry. So you want to kill my child? That is your plan. You want... God forbid. Sorry. You're stupid. Why do they like saying sorry all the time? Can't you do anything good for once in your life? Can't you? I'm sorry. You see this girl? I do not joke with her. This girl is my jewel. My precious jewel. My only child. Maggie, if anything happens to her, I will kill you and give your body to vultures. Shut up. Okay. Now take this rubbish and prepare something better. If you like, add 10 cups of pepper inside.
Okay. I'm sorry.
Fool.
Small madam.
Get out!
Don't worry. Don't just stress yourself. I'll go take cornflakes.
No, she's going to cook. She's going to... Come back here! Come back now, come back here. She's going to make something good for you, okay?
Yes.
I paid her for... Shut your trap. Now get my daughter appetizers.
Okay. Sorry, small madam, sorry.
Foolish girl. Baby, I am sorry. Do you want more? Just take...
Bafana.
I been about Bosco. On your side.
We dey rush more go school. I beg. We will see later now. Waiting be that.
Wait.
Eh?
And Tom, come, let's give you some money.
No. We don't almost switch. You see the school.
Papa. Actually, don't you like him?
Come now. I see the school for you. Okay. See the school now. The school not too far. See, I'm.
Not too far.
No worry. I go dey go back shop now. No, don't worry. I go dey go back shop. Just that place. Alright now. Stop. I'll go see now when you come back. Hi. I'm gonna see the guy this boy. You'll see son just come back now. Man, go back shop.
Your daddy is such a nice and a simple man.
Not really that my dad not be simple man. See. So if you see people making money, you go dey form.
Okay, that's aside. So, what class are you?
Abba! Because I couldn't shaka. Don't disturb me, that I couldn't question. School not in my head, no but what they think.
So, why? Why did you say so?
I go come down. You don't disturb me.
I'm so sorry. No worry, don't go. I was just trying to make it.
I like good if you speak.
Hello, madam. Yes, ma. No, I'm at the mechanic workshop, ma. Okay, I will just pick a cab or something, ma. Yes, ma. Afa Baba Moscow.
Afana.
A movement too.
I go soon finish now. Where you won't go now?
Just do your thing,
I go soon finish this thing and may just drive and go.
My madam want make I pick something for her and the thing they are very important. So make I rush pick am. You just do a thing you do. Collect the key.
So if I finish, I go call you now.
Yes, call me.
No wahala.
You finish and come here.
No wahala. No wahala. Once I finish, I go call you.
No problem.
But if I just wait, make carry the car, they go now. You remain small, I just.
You just call me.
No wahala. No wahala.
Fred, you will never stop to amaze me. So when are you going back to the mechanic's shop?
He said he will soon be done with the car. So I asked him to call me when it's done, so I can go pick the car.
That's okay. Take this. Go over to Fred's place and give that to his brother. He's waiting for you at the gate.
Okay.
Be fast about it. Go back to that mechanic workshop. Ensure he fixes my car. Then go to my daughter's school and pick her up. I do not want her waiting for too long after dismissal.
Okay. Madam, I checked at the gates and I could not find Ujebe. And I wanted to go through that path.
That stupid gate man. He had the effrontery to leave my compound without telling me. Only for me to call him and he said, Madam, I rush go village because emergency day. Just because a girl is pregnant for him. I know he's not serious with his job. But I know exactly what to do.
Ujebe, he should have at least informed you before going out. Eh?
That is his business. I have told him to remain there and never to come back to my house. Because if he does, I will get him arrested for trespassing. I just hope he doesn't dare me. I'll replace him tomorrow.
Okay, ma.
So be as fast as you can.
Thank you, madam.
Send me, oh. Who send me now? I just can't do wedding for safe. Hey! Hey, whoa! See me, see, Kana.
See, Bosco, no be this thing what you do here. Just stand up, make we go see my madam. Make we go see my madam, make you tell her this thing by yourself. And on her, I leave motor for you. I leave the motor, I give you key now.
I call you now. See that I call you, I tell you, say, please, I bring her.
Make you see madam. My madam can now. How you want make I take go explain this thing? Bosco, just stand up. This cry now, this cry no go help anything.
Ah, sound no poor.
You don't try that.
What's that?
Bosco, get up first.
Just take a piece. Just take a piece. All this way the tsunami go pass. Just calm down.
Bosco, get up first.
I never even see money job. I never see money job.
Wow.
I never even see.
Bosco, leave this thing. See, make we go see madam. If madam come here by herself, now then this thing go worse. Make we go, make you explain yourself. Make you talk and this thing be. Madam need to first.
Gabriel, what did you just say? What do you mean by he cannot find my car? Where did he take it to? What happened to my car, Gabriel? Where did he take my car to? I am asking you, Gabriel. See, I know these mechanics and their tricks. Okay? But I will not take this one. This is not a joke. This is my car we are talking about. I sent you to go give my car to the mechanic and you're telling me that he can't find it. Are you okay? Gabriel, you will go back to him and ask him what he did with my car. I want to know the truth. I want to know what happened. Do you understand me? Oh, maybe this is a game. He wants to use my car to impress one of his numerous girlfriends, right? Gabriel, I will not take this from him. So go back to that mechanic shop and ask him what he did with my car.
See, madam, I know him very well. I know this man very well. He's of good character. Just that...
Oh, just shut up! Shut your damn mouth, Gabriel.
Sorry.
Do not speak for him. Speak for yourself. I want you to find out what he did with my car. And that is it.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, madam, let's just look for a way. Let's find the car anyhow.
Gabriel, you are upsetting me.
I'm sorry.
And you will not like the outcome if I get mad at you. Now get out of my sight.
Sorry, madam.
Get out and go tell that fool to find my car.
did for you?
I beg, you know, say, I can show it to happen. You know, normal level, my papa no fit lose guard. Madam go carry my papa, he goes police arrest am, and my papa dey prison now.
Me, I know, say your family finish that. But I try to talk to my madam, I try to talk to her, but she just discharge me. And you know, say she na madam, na not what I feel do. So I just tell her she no wants her, come relax.
I beg she just tell me I go beg her. So that I may release my papa so that I will pay her with a fine card give her.
That one be no go inside there. Even if you talk to her, whether she go listen to you if she see you.
Gabriel,
Madam.
what's the meaning of this and who is this unkept child?
Madam, this boy na.
Sister, my name na Tom. And my papa use as your mechanic. Me dey go tip your car for yard. May you go show her for side prison. I beg.
Oh, I see. So that man is your father?
Yes.
Well, he will stay in the police station until my car is found. Except he decides to tell the police what he did with my car. Otherwise, he will stay there as long as possible.
Auntie, I beg now. Auntie, I beg. I see they beg you, Auntie, I beg. My papa, no, anyone no fit stay now. As my papa dey prison.
Mom, please. Oh, just shut up. I will handle this myself.
Sister, help me to beg the money now. I beg, help me beg her.
How dare you? How dare you walk into my compound? Are you stupid? Are you mad? Who even let you into this compound in the first place? Gabriel.
Mother.
Who let this man, this little man into my compound? If you know, shut up and listen to me. Listen to me and listen attentively. If you know what is good for you and your entire generation, just take your ugly self out of my compound. Because I am still talking. Else, I will not even look at your age before punishing you. Do you understand? Gabriel, pick this thing and throw him out of my compound. If this happens again, I will sack you and you will suffer for it. Now take him out. Take him out of this compound.
I beg you. I beg you. I beg now. I beg.
You're always pleading on me.
Mom, you need to tamper justice with Mercy. Of what use would it be to allow Tom's father sleep in the police station? Please.
Baby, please. He has to pay. I know these people more than you do. They are capable of doing a whole lot. Wait, did you just call his name? You've even memorized his name.
I knew them before now.
Interesting.
I've been to the mechanic workshop with Uncle Gabriel. Tom and his father are very good people. Please, just release him for Tom.
Well, my princess, Mommy will not grant you that wish, okay? These people are not good people. They act all nice until they achieve their aim. So do not be deceived. And like I said before, I know them more than you do. So let me handle them my way.
Please, just show mercy. Please.
Jenny, you know that I will do anything for you. Anything to make you happy. To put a smile on your face. But you see this, my baby. I won't be able to grant you. Okay? Let me teach these people a lesson. They deserve to be taught a lesson. Okay? Smile for mommy.
Please, I want you to take the food. You've been here since morning. No food, no water. I know you're very hungry, please. I've been pleading with my mom, but she's not agree. See, I want you to eat this food, please. I don't want you to fall sick.
I go which one I take of this food where my papa dey prison.
I know, but please, you have to eat it, please. I'll go and plead with my mommy again.
Even now God you ever dey beg. No wahalas. Never good.
Okay, please, can you have it?
Madam. Madam, ma.
Maggie, what is it?
Madam, Jenny no gree chop o. She dey cry.
What do you mean by she has refused to eat? Why?
I don't know. She just dey cry. I don ask am wetin happen. She no gree tell me.
Where is she?
When I dey come upstairs here, she dey sitting room.
Go and stay with her. I'll be there.
Okay, ma.
What happened?
Tom, you cannot sleep here now. You have to go home. See, this place is very dangerous at night too. So you cannot stay here. See, let me tell you, see, you cannot stay here alone at night. Talk about sleeping here. Just go home tomorrow, you come back.
Anything not go happen. Anything may happen. What do you mean my blood did on my head? And you mean one for me apple?
That one day, but you know that you cannot stay here. It's late, eh? Just go house. Yeah? Go house.
See, I got no one, you not to confuse me. And you know apple. That woman. Anyway, I go Matty God. I go follow one, I go Matty God. I got no worry.
Jenny, I don't like it when you're sad. You cannot refuse to eat your food because of some strangers that are paying for their crime. That mechanic deserves the punishment he is getting until he returns or pays for my car.
Mom, this is robbery. And it can happen to anybody. Tom is out there in the cold and his father in the cell. What if something bad happens to him?
Unfortunately, that is not my business. What is he doing out? Don't say have a home. See, Jenny, I really do not like it when you start pitying people, especially people you do not know. I am your mother, and I did not get this far in life by being soft. You need to develop a tough skin.
This is different. Tom hasn't eaten all day. And he's out there at the gate, our gate.
What? Our gate? What is he doing there? Why didn't he leave when I asked him to?
Why would he? When his father is in the cell and he has no one to stay with. Look, Mom, I don't care what else you want to do, but I won't eat anything or sleep as long as he's still there and his father is in the cell.
Jenny! Okay, hold on. I hate to see you sad. I love you so much, Jenny, and I will do anything to make you happy. Okay? Alright, you win. I will tell Gabriel to let him in, and I am doing this because of you. Are you happy now?
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let me go call Gabriel.
Little man, be thankful for my daughter for letting you in. But I will say this once. You would leave my house first thing in the morning and go ask your father what he did with my car. Do you understand? Shh. I do not want you to say anything. Just do as I have told you. Okay?
Okay.
Gabriel.
Madam.
Take him to the visitor's room. He will stay there for tonight.
Okay.
Good night, everyone.
Thank you.
I'll take care of that. Gabriel, help me tell Maggie to get him his food. So, you have to shower, eat your food, and rest. Let me take it to you. What happened?
I wanted to help you when my papa just killed me hand. I really God know what he did don't want. That mama too wicked. Why mama not better like you?
Excuse me.
Where you dey go?
let me go talk to my mom because there's no how I'll be your friend. Two of us are too close and my mom will still leave your dad in the cell. Maybe I should go talk to her. I'm coming.
You go tell him. Don't go too wicked. You go tell him. So.
Jenny, what was the meaning of that thing I saw outside? What were you doing with that boy?
Mom, I know you always want the best for me. But discrimination is totally out of it. Do you know what Tom has passed through because of his father? Mom, come on, this is not you.
Jenny, what is my business with whatever it is he has passed through? How is that my business?
Really?
Yes, really.
Even if he has to pay you, he can't do that from the cell. He needs to work for it. Besides, you didn't even give him a listening ear. You just acted out of your own presumption.
Jenny, look.
Mommy, listen.
Look.
Mom, please listen. I'm leaving this room right now, but by the end of today, if Tom's father is still at the cell, I'm going to give you the greatest shock of your life. And I mean it.
Papa, don't be small. Don't my wicked. I don't pick beggar. You picking beggar. Do my robbery. You picking no call shop food. You picking go beggar. Before you picking go in the name mama go cause me they release you.
My God go bless him. Oh.
Don't be small. Now God go bless and well. Now God go bless and well.
God go bless her. See that thing what they tell you? Say he did good to they did good to people. Shey you see am? See am now? Because you don't know who go be your savior tomorrow. I not say you say go dey regret why you chop that girl mugu that time. Abi, shey you dey regret am?
I can't be the regret am why I chop you mugu. I don't know say na good person.
You don't see am now. So na so life be. So wetin me and you go suppose the reason and how to go back to the woman, go thank am well. Thank am, come reason how go take pay am back for the car now.
You're not supposed to go beg am.
Why now? Why we no go beg am? We go beg am.
I beg daddy come.
Where you dey go?
Office.
Inside house?
Yes, sir.
Come pee for here. You dey go pee for inside house. Where you want bucket? Go for corner.
I'm not pee for here.
Tom! Go there now.
Tom! Who be Tom?
Tom. See today, now you go fetch water for this house.
You go fetch am.
Who go fetch am? Now you go fetch water for this house and you go.
Bosco. Bosco! Good evening. I want you to listen to me and listen carefully. Okay. I picked you and your son up from the street. And I made you what you are today. Is this how you intend to pay me back for everything I have done for you? Do you know the level of damage you have caused me? A car was given to you to repair. And then zoom, you went with the car. The car is nowhere to be found.
Oga, see.
Will you shut up? While I talk, you don't talk. All the customers this woman brought to me, they have all left because of your carelessness. I will not have you destroy the reputation that took me years to build. And now you listen. You have between now and tomorrow morning to leave this house. I don't want to see you, nor your son, in anywhere close to this house.
No, Oga.
If I see you, I will arrest you.
Oga, beg. Make I just explain to you now. The car, no,
I have made my point.
I beg. Now beg. Not my fault. Eh? Now you are the work for all these years now. You know see they be now. See that car, I just carry am on. Now test, I just say make I test the car. No come know what happen.
Bosco, I want you out of this house. I have told you. Leave this house. I am coming back here with a policeman. If I see you close to this house again, I will arrest you. I don't want to see you in my workshop. I don't want to see you anywhere and inch close to me. If I see you, Bosco, I will arrest you.
Okay, beg. If I come out here, where I go?
I don't care.
I'm not going anywhere.
Go back to the street where I picked you from.
I beg. I don't want to go back to the street. See, I don't suffer now. I beg. Just help me now. This is not my fault now.
Okay.
I beg.
Okay. This is what we are going to do. Don't hold me. This is what we are going to do. Leave this place.
Okay. Hey. Oh, which kind of nonsense come with this one? Eh? Come with this one now. Wait. What's in the... Wait. All this one now. Eh?
I beg, more come out here.
Come on, go where now?
Go to Dauma.
I greet you, ma.
Good morning, ma.
Ma, we dey greet.
I heard you the first time.
Ma, okay.
What? What were you about to say? I can see that this child is very rude. And you did not bring him up properly.
Ma,
Don't you know
don't.
Okay.
Ma, waiting with the try talk.
Okay.
Waiting with the try.
Give me a month now.
Waiting with the try talk now.
About what you do try talk? What you do try talk?
Ma, waiting at the try talk. You see, I say ma, I can't thank you. Appreciate you for what you do for me yesterday. Come talk to the police, may they release me. Thank you. God bless you.
You don't talk, I talk.
Go.
See, you know.
I do not have time for this rubbish. You should be grateful to my daughter. And be grateful to God that my car was recovered. Trust me, you would have spent the rest of your life in that prison.
But that's really the auto. You know, see my papa lose guard. What now? You know, see my papa lose guard. And for work, they don't call, they call Portuna, come out, and they call go prison. They call lost your car, and she call lost her. They call come out, you not call get rid of this, because they stay. No, I can't show whether you can remove this thing. And my papa, no get, he don't lose guard, no get this.
Are you mad? How is that my business? Does it look like I run a charity organization here?
Ma, waiting in talk na true. Because of the car we lost, my oga come pursue me, say make I no come out office again. And the place where we dey stay, where we dey lie down, and come there yesterday, say make we come out. Like this now, no go where to stay. I beg. Anyway, even if say we go just they work for you, anything, I beg. Just help us now. I beg.
Please, take your child and get out of my house.
More they go.
They go now.
Thank you, ma. They go now.
They go now. Let me have take 1 kilo.
Which pillow?
go to the store. I go take the. Leave. I'm not going to take it.
Bye bye, ma.
I'm not going to take it. Just let them go.